Huh. Welcome back to trying things that I've seen on the internet. Today we're trying the 18 calorie protein cookie recipe from Cutting with Carly.
You heard me right. Not only is this cookie 18 calories, it's sugar-free and gluten-free.
All right, she talks super fast, so I'm just gonna find the recipe and put it right here. And I'm gonna double it and I'm gonna add some protein. And we're gonna see how this turns out. 1.5 cup non-fat plain Greek yogurt. Oh, I used vanilla Greek yogurt. 6 tablespoons of oat flour. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Neat. I don't have a place to put this. 6 tablespoons of monk fruit sweetener. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the 6th one. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. 1, 2. 1 teaspoon of almond flavor. I hope that's what she said. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Oop. Instead of a pinch of salt, I'm just going to do like a little sprinkle. 1 tablespoon light butter melted. Hell yeah. So now I think we mix all of our ingredients together. I have reservations about this. Got my non-stick. No sticks. We're going to assemble the cookies.
Bake at 350 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes.
10 to 12 minutes. Okay, now we make our frosting. 4 tablespoons non-fat Greek yogurt. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tablespoons. 2 monk fruits. Roundabout. I didn't measure it. I just threw it in there. We need the vanilla extract. This is optional, but it says to add 2 teaspoons of sugar-free Jello pudding mix. I'm using the cheesecake one. I'm not going to measure it. I'm also going to eyeball this. That's like 2 teaspoons. And save it for later. Now we add in our protein. 1 huge scoop. I'm using the marshmallow puff jet puffed loaded protein by Rise. 2nd whisk. There's a lot of mixing, but we got it. This is going to be our icing, frosting. Huh. The crazy thing is they smell like cookies. You wanna come over here for the big reveal? What do we think? They're done. I have to let them cool. Look how good the cookies came out. They're kind of weird in the consistency, but I'd say we definitely made something that resembled cookies. This is how the bottom of the cookie turned out. Now we're going to ice them. Neat. I'm trying to just pour a little. So these are the cookies. I think that took 45 minutes. Okay. Okay. It's not bad, but it's not a cookie. That being said, it's creative. It's good. Like, I'm going to smash all these. The sugar helps. I think these turned out well. If there's something you want to see me make, send me the video. I'll give it my best shot. You should go follow the other lady that does this better. Oh, follow me too. Bye. Thanks for watching.